If you're a content creator, I'm gonna show you how you're gonna be able to add an extra $20,000 in your monthly recurring revenue by still doing the same thing you're doing right now. Hey, my name is Fran, and let's break down your business model in order for you to understand how what I even said in the intro is possible. So, you're a content creator, you're producing content. You probably have some reason why you're producing content. You either have a service or a product that you are selling in the backend. That service or a product is based on your knowledge and the value you are providing in the content. So you have your own market, you have your own niche that you are basically serving as a content creator. And all of that is because you're trying to sell some of the services or products that you already have. So what's that doing? You're creating a creative vertical. You're providing value upfront with the content. Then you're getting people to sign up for your course, for your program, or for your service. And then you have this community of people that trust you, that know what you're doing, and that they already have a proven successful payment history with you. So when you have all of that, you have a successful business. You're a successful content creator, but you're making a crucial mistake. Whenever your clients or whenever your customers are asking you to basically use any tool or use any software, you always recommend them to other tools or softwares. You recommend them instantly, you recommend them Asana, you recommend them XYZ. It depends on what your industry is based on. But have you ever thought about building your own software and referring your customers to your own software? I know what you're probably thinking right now. Oh, to build a software, it's probably expensive. I never thought about it. I don't have the funds for it. It's an extra job that I have to do. But let me break down how you're going to be able to do it for yourself. So you have this market that you're serving and you're producing content for that market. And as you're constantly generating revenue for the products and services that you are selling, you're still missing one crucial part. And that's you actually being able to be free. Everything that you're selling right now is strictly connected to your personal brand. If there is no more Marco that's doing drop shipping, there is no more Marco producing actual revenue and generating revenue, because if there is no you, there is no revenue for your program, for your product, or for your service. In order for you to be able to actually do that, you have to have a productized service, and that's a software or a tool. And right now, you're gonna be able to build one with the help of no code or with the help of Bubble. Bubble is a platform where you can build softwares that is completely no code, and you don't have to be technical. You can build it by yourself, and it doesn't require hundreds of thousands of dollars. It doesn't require months and months to build it. You can actually build a really simple software that solves a really specific problem for your market in the next 3 weeks for less than $5,000. And once you build something like that, you have a productized service. So you have a SaaS. If you're not familiar what SaaS is, it's a software as a service. So all those tools that you're referring your students or customers or clients to use, you can build that same exact tool, and instead of referring to someone else, you can actually build your own software company. And the reason you want to do that is because once you build a productized service or a software, you're going to be actually able to remove yourself from the business and generate monthly recurring revenue. Let's say you have a community of 1,000 people that you are serving right now and where you are providing value. If just 10% of them that are listening to your advices subscribe to your software, you're gonna be able to, let's say if you're charging $50 a month for the software, you're gonna be able to generate $5,000 every single month in recurring revenue for the productized service that you are not affiliated, that you are not connected to as an individual content creator, and one day you're going to be able to sell it at 20 to 30x multiplier. Yes, you heard me right. Softwares as companies are sold as 20 to 30x multiplier, and you're going to be able to exit this company one day if you want at 100% ownership for millions and millions of dollars, while not changing a single thing about your current situation and what you're currently doing. So you're still going to produce content, you're still going to sell the service that you're selling right now. Only thing that you're going to add is building building this tool, building this software that you're going to be able to sell to your current users. And while that you are providing the value and service that you're providing right now, you're also going to be building a company in the backend that has a positive monthly recurring revenue and an exit plan. Currently, from your content strategy and from your current product or service, you're unable to exit. If you quit with it, there is no more cash flow for you. There is no more users. There is no more clients. But with the productized service or a software, you're able to quit it. You're able to sell it. You're able to flip it. You have the ability to actually say, hey, I don't want to do content anymore. I don't want to do all of this anymore. I can still run the software business in the background and still provide value to my current market without people even seeing me at camera anymore. And it's also going to give you opportunity to exit it one day. So me as a content creator, I have my own software called Dashflow, where I'm providing value to agency industry, where I'm basically building a tool that's all-in-one tool for marketing agencies. I'm creating content about it. I'm creating content to help agency owners, and I have a successful rate of getting new users every single day. And I have an exit plan for that specific software, because in the next year or two, we're going to be able to exit that software at $1 to $2 million evaluation mark, and I can build it without even showing my face ever again and having a sturdy monthly recurring revenue. And if you're a content creator and you are completely overwhelmed with your work, you have a lot of stuff to do, probably you don't have enough time to build this by yourself. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description if you're looking for team or people to basically build this, launch this for you in less than 30 days. You can check out Softify in the description, and it's gonna give you more information how you can build and launch your first software in the next 30 days, create monthly recurring revenue, and eventually help you out with the exit plan where you have a sturdy business in the back end that you can still build while you are building your service or product that you are building with your content. I hope you liked the video. Press like, subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer it. See you in the next one, and if you want to check out what we are doing on this channel, probably there's gonna be videos around the screen. You can check them out as well.